Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Joseph Ludu. Today I'm going to show you how to make country style potato omelette with complete breakfast. For the potato omelette, so I need one nice medium size grated potato. I grated, so I'll show you how I do this. I'm using the grater, so I just grate the potato. So now I have a grated potato and a grated onion. So I'm going to put it together. I'm going to cook the potato and onion first before I make the omelette, because when I mix with the eggs, the potato is not going to cook. So that's why I want to pre-cook the potato and onion. So I add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt and mix it up and going right into the frying pan. Just let it. The potato is cooking almost. I'm using 2 eggs, cracked eggs. Takes one egg. Good. And also I have here finely chopped red bell pepper and green pepper. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, so this one is already cooked potato and the onion, so I'm going to transfer to the same egg bowl for the omelette. And this pan is hot. Omelette's almost the bottom is cooked now. I want to flip it over. Before I flip it over, I'm using this plate. Put it here and then flip it over. Like this. It's a nice omelette. So I'm going to transfer to the frying pan again. The omelette is nicely cooking now. So same time I have arranged my breakfast plate. I have 3 slices of nice tomatoes and 3 nice breakfast sausage and 2 slices of toast. So I cut it like this, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt, pepper on my tomatoes. The omelette is ready. I'm going to turn off my stove. So I'm going to transfer my omelette to the breakfast plate. Like this. It's a big omelette. Alright, the country style potato omelette and the complete breakfast is ready. So this is the potato omelette, 2 slices of toast, 3 breakfast sausage, 3 slices of tomatoes. So I'm going to taste my omelette, country style potato omelette. The piece of omelette, it's nice. And basil sausage. It's perfect. So normally you get, when you get a full breakfast, you're getting 2 eggs, toast, sausage or bacon, and tomatoes, few slices of tomatoes, and home fries or the hash brown or something. So I put this potato into my omelette, so you don't need to make extra potato or something. So this is potato omelette. It's a country style potato omelette with complete breakfast. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you again.